Hi, how are you everyone? This is Ali with EA Home Design. We are here with a really nice project that we done it recently. We done lots of things here on the main floor, changing the door and windows. We done the steps, rebuild the steps. We done the cable railing here. We done the kitchen, the bar area, the new, I don't know if I mentioned the new floor, the fireplace. It's lots of project. I'm gonna go over the kitchen area and fireplace area, and if I can do the rest of the thing, I'm gonna go over it too with you. Okay, here is a really nice modern kitchen, but before it wasn't like this at all. On the corner we have a angle wall here, an angle cabinet here, that has double oven. The refrigerator was here, but a smaller one. Here was a smaller cooktop. We converted to 48-inch range top. We add the pot filler. We add this uplift cabinets, okay, and we add that decoration shelf on top with the light inside. Here we add the oven and microwave, okay. Then this one can be a speed oven. It means it's a speed oven and microwave. We have the 48-inch refrigerator, pull-out pantries on the both sides of the refrigerators, that they are very nice and beautiful. We gave them much bigger island. The before, if you see the before pictures, the island wasn't in this shape. We gave them the waterfall on the both side of the island with the sitting area and another set of cabinet on the back that they can sit on it. The hood is very nice hood. It has some storage inside too. They can use it as a storage, and they have drawer under the range top that they can put pots and pans there. They do have the pull-out spice rack on the both side of the range, the big and metal one, and this one is utensil. It has utensil on the top shelf, which is very nice, very neat, because this way your counter always gonna be clean. You can see it here another time. And the trash can on this side of the sink, and two dishwasher. They do have two dishwasher, and they do have another pull out here that they can put the other stuff here too. And here the other thing that we done, this was like, here was a wall and it has lots of molding around it, and what we done is here was window. We removed that walls. We add the window here. We removed these windows here. It was like curved window on top. We make it as a door, very nice door with the transom on top and a new flooring here. Here is the main thing that we should talk about a little bit more, because we didn't attention to this stuff before on our other videos, but we rebuilt these steps, okay, this one and the front steps, because of this cable railing, okay. We gave them this cable railing, and the railing is much nicer, very modern and nice railing. And here all gonna be the solid wood, solid one step wood that we stained it on the factory to be matched to the floor and very as close as possible to the floor. The colors are here are mostly blue and white. Is very nice with the natural color of the floor, going very well in this design. And here, this is the other big thing is the fireplace. Okay, the previous fireplace was very old, and the looks of this is completely was different. Here we make drywall. From the drywall, we make the drywall fireplace for them. We installed a very big TV, 85-inch on top, and very nice electric fireplace. The previous fireplace was gas, and we changed it to electric. This is much more modern and much nicer. Let me go to this front of the house, and on this part, you can see we done the whole steps here too with cable railing. This is a very big step. We changed the whole thing. We rebuilt the whole thing another time. We add the cable railing here, and looks much nicer. I'm gonna add some photos to it that way you can see it very good. And the other part was here. This wasn't here. We add this niche, you know, for this statue, and it's much nicer place right now, because it was before, it was like a small shelf. And this is the bar area. This is the bar area, and the bar area is fantastic. It looks much nicer than before. We gave them some uplift on the top too, and the floating shelf on the center. And the whole back is like the backsplash, countertop backsplash. You can see it here. There's lots of drawers on the bottom too. And that's it. This is it. And thank you for following us. Thank you for subscribing on our YouTube channel. We try to update you as soon as we finished one job. And please like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, and have a great one. Bye.